Oh, make sure to get my good side, please.
Jason, what are you doing?
Well, how delightful it is to see you, Christian. I, of course, am walking the red carpet for the Collision Industry Red Carpet Awards Night, November 4th at Resorts World.
But you're one of the presenters. You're not one of the stars.
Oh, Christian, can't you just let me bask in the spotlight for once?
Jason, don't let it get to your head. In case you forgot, you'll be presenting BodyShop Business's Executive of the Year Award, sponsored by Altel. Organizations that will be handing out awards include SCRS, ICAR, SICA, CIC, CREF, NABC, and others. This is the collision industry's night to shine as professional collision repairers honor some of their own.
Well, it still sounds delightful, Christian, and you will be joining me arm in arm on the red carpet, won't you?
I'll be there, but I won't be walking the red carpet. I have a job to do, and the red carpet is reserved for those true stars of the night, the award recipients.
Oh, Christian, you're no fun!
We are still accepting nominations for the BodyShop Business Executive of the Year. Scan the QR code on the screen or visit bodyshopbusiness.com to nominate today.